This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to stop automatic app updates on your iPhone now. Open Settings, tap App Store, and locate the App Updates toggle. Flip it off immediately. This prevents new app versions from installing without your permission. Once done, consider also disabling automatic downloads for apps so new purchases don't auto-install. These steps cut background downloads and save battery and data. They also let you control when to review changelogs and permissions before updating your apps. On a Mac, start by opening the App Store app and choosing Preferences from the menu bar. Uncheck Automatic Updates and also uncheck Install App Updates if you want total manual control. If you share the Mac, make sure Update Mac OS Automatically is set per your preference so system updates don't force app upgrades tied to new OS versions. Once you change these settings, apps will remain at their current versions until you manually trigger updates in the App Store. Finish by restarting your device to ensure the new settings take effect. This clears any queued update tasks. When you want a specific update, open the App Store and update apps manually so you can read release notes first. If automatic updates re-enable unexpectedly, inspect installed configuration profiles or mobile device management policies that can override settings. As one troubleshooting tip, remove any unknown profiles and contact your system administrator. Often enforced policies are the reason toggles revert on managed devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.